All right, welcome back, generals, to another Let's Fix Generals 0 Hour to make the best game ever. Good. So, we will continue with the C++ 20 fixing effort. Yes, okay, so what do we do? What is this? Cannot comment argument, that's the const thingy again, by the looks of it. Cannot comment argument 4 from const char to lpstr. Const char is incompatible with lpstr. Huh. Okay, that's interesting. That is extremely interesting. Let's web search that. In optional. They give an example. Let's see. Null. Yeah. So it wants to have a writable buffer. That's weird, isn't it? In optional. It's not an out, it's an in. And it's not a constant string. What the hell? Why is it so weird? That's so weird. lpstr, yeah, it's not a const. That's weird. Okay, well, in that case, we have to do char. What is it called? LP class. Char LP class equals rec none. There we go. All right. There's another one. LP class. Okay, what do we got here? Static const. Yeah. All right. Train type names. Yeah. All right. Let's go. Consts. Sorry. Const. Const. What is this? Operator deprecated between enumerations and floating point types. Oof. Okay, real, so that's a float, and that's an enum, and you are no longer allowed to. So we have to explicitly cast, yeah. Static cast. Float. Yeah. Next, requires. Huh? Oh, requires is a keyword now. Huh. Wow, okay. Requires. Requires list. Requires. 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 Can we do a rename? Yeah. Okay, we rename that to requires list. Unicode string equals requires. Let me see what does it do? Get requires list. Okay, requires concat. Requirements. Descript. Ugh. Requires list. So that is get requires list. Okay. Requires first requirement. It looks like it's formatting it, right? Yeah. Yeah, it looks like it's format. So this one is just a list. List, not empty string. Make sure to put in returns to space things correctly. Concat requires list. Yeah. Let's just call it requires format. How about that? Rename. Requires format. There we go. That should do. Okay, what's next? Star. Oof. Get width. That's in. Yeah. Well, actually. Maybe we should do actually integer, because originally it would also use integer. Yeah. So we say int. I think we don't need to use static cast. Yeah, let's just do it like this. Int. Yeah, so on this one, maybe we should also use integer here. Let's see if that compiles. Oof. All right. Static const char. There we go. Static const. Oof. Const. Oof. Oof. I do appreciate this kind of check here, compile error, because really this kind of string should not be writable. Yeah. It should only ever be read. I'm not sure. Does it actually page fault if you, well, access violation if you write to this? Is the page protected? I'm not sure. Maybe it crashes. Oh man. Can we maybe, hold on. Seems to be always the same thing. So maybe we can do const char. Maybe not. Zeps. Yeah. Can probably also remove the space here while at it. Yeah. Oof, there's more. Oof. Let's compile. Const. A lot of const errors here. Wow. Create browser window. Cannot convert argument 1. Okay. Okay. Const char tag. It's a pure virtual. Okay. This one is called tag. Let's fix that name. Tag web browser. Oof. Tag. What is this? Next screen. Char. Okay. Const char. Const. Register. Warning. Okay, it's just a warning. Error. Return false. It should be return null. Okay. Cannot convert from bool to path. Bool to path. Yeah. No. Oof. Oof. No. No. No, no. No. Oh, that's funny. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Return false. Oh, we got more steps. Oh boy. Oh, what is this? Name. Oof. Pass. Const token. Const. Pass. Game window pass. Huh? Where's this function? This is a function pointer. Where's this assigned? Oh, hell no. Oh, pass name. Token. So we're looking at const, right? Const. Okay, so I assume we have to rename token to const token, right? Yeah. Yeah, pass it. Fair enough. Fair enough. All right. But there are more errors. Game window pass. Still complain about name. Cannot be used. It's this one here, right? Const char name. There we go. Yeah. Okay, let's try that. All right. More errors. Oh boy. Const. I wonder why this is being shown as being compiled out. That's a bit confusing. But okay, nothing that stops us. Nothing stops the mail. All right. Okay, next screen. What is this bullshit? Next screen. Oh. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Const. Const. There we go. All right. Oof. System cannot find the file specified. Yeah, you cannot launch all build. Launch the generals. Okay, next. What do we have here? Cannot convert from const char. Const char. XOR. It's an identifier. Wow. Okay, that's new. Guys, here is that v command line option. The hell? Okay, static char. XOR words. There we go. Register. Warning. Error. Const char. All right, let's compile. Error. Return now. There we go. Return now. All right. Okay. Operator deprecated between enumerations and floating point types. Okay, so this is the float. Okay. Then we explicitly cast it to int. Int. There we go. Warning, warning, warning. Okay, these are just warnings. Error, yeah. Let's look at it. Error. Overloaded function have similar conversions. Laser update. Laser update. Chord 3D. Overloaded function have similar conversions. What does that mean? Old start pose is a chord 3D. This as well. Yeah? So what? Overloaded functions. What does that mean? operator equals. I don't get it. I find this really comical. Why go through the trouble adding this this comment? Just add the unequal operator and be done with it. I don't understand why the author did it like this. Strange, very strange. Overloaded function has similar conversion. I don't know what that means. Time for our ChatGPT friends. What does the following error mean? This error means there are multiple overloaded versions and the compiler cannot determine which one to use. Okay. But I don't know where. Let's search for... maybe it's overriding some class? No. What is the problem? I don't understand. Operator equals coord return x. Operator equals and operator in both could match. They are both coord 3Ds. I don't see the ambiguity. It looks pretty, oops. It looks pretty solid to me. What is the problem? Coord 3D looks fine. Looks absolutely fine. There's just one operator here. I don't get it. Is there maybe an operator outside of the class? Let's search for operator this. Not found. Not found at all. Okay. That's too bad. It doesn't recognize this file because it's not in the solution. Oh, that's upsetting. I don't know what the error is. Let's skip ahead for now. I don't know what it is. Okay, what else do we have here? Okay, here we need a type name. No conversion from int to char. From int to char. What int? C. Oh, this looks like a bug. Huh? This is really weird. So I would have expected to dereference the C and check it against now. But it's not even counting up. It's not counting up the C, it's counting up the character. Huh? What the fuck? Huh? Am I reading this wrong, or so here it checks a pointer against the null character. That's why the compiler is complaining. But here it is counting up the character itself and not the pointer to the character. How is that correct? How is that correct? Oof. I think that needs a separate look. Let's open an issue report. Bug report. Strange. Oh, if I don't want to fill out this form. New issue, blank issue. Suspicious logic in let's copy the whole thing here. Okay, so what looks weird? Compiler error because testing pointer against char. This code looks very strange. It actually, hold on. Hold on. So to me, it looks like that this character here, that is obsolete. It doesn't do anything. Here, it doesn't make sense. So first, it's incrementing, and then it is dereferencing it. hold on, it's a post increment. So it's first taking the value from it, then it is incrementing it, and then it's comparing with the value before the increment, compares it against this minus. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Okay, so the error is so here, and I think this needs to be removed. Like, it doesn't make any sense to dereference it, right? So I think it needs to be like this, and then here as well. And the rest seems to be correct, yeah. Okay, no, yeah, then it's actually, hold on, concat? Yeah, that's correct, yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh, uh-huh. Okay, this seems to be right to me now. Yeah. Good, let's compile again. Next. Border color. Const. Next. Oh, well, hard-coded string here. Const. Oof. LP void. Oh, GSI char keys. GSI char keys. That's a warning. Keys. How? Undeclared identifier. What's the problem? How's this undeclared? It's sitting right here. Huh? Huh? Oh, I see. I see. There we go. Okay, so here, so the problem is we need to set name. LP parameter, LP void. LP parameter void. Char. Maybe it's easier. Maybe it's easier to just pass here char by name. Get host by name, host name. There we go. So the same string. Yeah. Good, let's try that. Okay. Error. Oh, we still got this one. Open data chunk. Cannot convert parameter 1. Okay. Const. There we go. Name. Should be fair. Okay. Okay, looks like game engine is compiling almost. This one is still a problem. Overloaded functions have similar conversions. Overloaded functions. What is overloading here? What is overloading? I don't know. Operator. So it sounds like that there is some other equals operator that is being considered for this comparison, for this function call. The question is, which one? It would be nice if the compiler told us who are the candidates, right? I mean, it must have this information, but it's not telling us. So that's sad. Overloaded functions have similar conversions. That's a stupid error message. Oh man. Struct coords ready. I don't know what to say. Oh, Jesus Christ. Well, hitting compile button won't help, but we do it anyway. All right, let's go on. I don't know right now what to do with it. Oh, what is this? Oh, hold on. This is outside the function. Yeah, outside the class. Declarations. Jesus Christ. Let's fix that abomination. Warning. Release partition date. Yeah. There we go. Mouse thread class. Okay. Okay. Wave pond. Why is there a comment? It already says ocean here. Why put a comment? Wave info. So the problem is this one needs to be const. Yeah. Fair enough. What do we have here? Init. Oof. Oof. Texture name. Const char. Init. Aha. 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 Const char. There we go. There we go. All right. All right. All right. All right. Oof. Transpose. Oh, right. I remember this. We fixed that in Cyme. The casts, they are terrible. Yeah, the casts are very bad. Yeah. Okay, what do we do here? And requires L value. Returns transpose. World transposed. think that will work? Let's see. Okay, this one is still failing. No overloaded function could convert all the argument types. Why not? Why not? Monochrome. Wow, shader. Word transposed. This is a dirty hack here, but I think we fix that. Fix that out. Init. What is the problem here? I don't see the problem right now. Track. What is track? Track init. Maybe these need to be const as well. Maybe. Maybe, yeah. Const. All right, vector. Okay, let's try that. All right. Const. Oh, what is this? Vector, get position. Okay. Vector 3 position equals. Well, hold on. Maybe it needs to be const. Let me see. Yeah, I think we just need to make it const. There we go. There we go. Okay, there's not much left. Wow. Almost through. Const. Well, there's still a... Yeah, no, it doesn't matter. Okay, const. Okay, So I think there's just this one compile error left, which we don't yet know what the actual problem is. The rest is warnings. Yeah. No, there's one more error here. Oh. Oh. What? Next param. Oh. Let's see. Const. Seps. Okay. There's more. Token. Token. Oof. Huh? Aha. Okay. So there's a big linker error. Oof. Unresolved external symbol. Maybe because this one is not yet compiling. Yeah. 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 How do we fix that bullshit? Cancel. Close, discard. By the way, let me see what kind of new fancy reports we have. Make a search by name and favorites options for the map list. Make a search by name and favorites options for the map list. This one is in the wrong project. Or transfer. Actually, search by name favorites option for the map list. Wrong project. Wrong project. Is this already tracked in code repo? Okay, here we got some more units with pre-built veterancy triggers this animation from the bottom left of the map. I think this one is already... Units with pre-built veterancy trigger this animation from the bottom left. This one. I think this one is already tracked. Let me see. Veterancy. Here. $51. Labels. No. Close as duplicate. 51. Please, when adding reports, please check if there are already duplicates of this or already reported. Because we don't need to have everyone report the same things. I mean, it doesn't happen so often, but yeah, it does happen regularly. But okay, better report too much than too little, I guess. Yeah. It's no hurt, but can be avoided. So, okay, so what do we have here? My proposal was to sidestep casing entirely, but if you prefer that for everything, we can define it now. Sidestep casing. What does that mean? Sidestep. So he means like keep the uppercase, but just put a new prefix. Attitude type. Let me take a look at the attitude real quick. Attitude type, AI. AI. Why is it prefixed with AI? AI CMD, AI command type. AI command type. How about we just say, how about attitude? Attitude sleep. Attitude passive. No idea why it has AI prefix in the first place when the enum name is attitude type. The other enum names in this class are another option would be we rename it to other enum names in this class are also uppercase in this file. Is there any like actual string of this? AI sleep, mood sleep. Yeah, we can use attitude sleep. Yeah, I don't know. Any other comments here? Doing right-click project only. Well, I didn't test it yet, but I assume he needs to symlink it to game root or something. Good. Let's see. Good. Let's get back to the compile errors. Yeah. Okay. So we only have one compile error left, and we have no idea, or I have no idea, why. Operator equal. Overloaded functions have similar conversions. Overloaded functions. What overloaded functions? X equals X. It looks fine. What is the problem? We can use the equals function. Oh, is that because of const? Oh, this again. This bullshit. Oh. There you go. Oh, I just realized that this is not an error, it's just a warning, so we don't need to apply this actually yet. Let's revert that then. Yeah, okay. We have another error. Okay, but now we know what to look for. Letterpref. 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 Operator const. There we go. Warning. Warning. Error. Consts. A lot of const errors. Error. Error lookup. Const. Okay. Then got a whole bunch of linker errors. Let's compile again. Warning and linker errors. Oof. Oof. Why? Why? Oh. Const. Yeah. Okay. Still a problem. Time of day names. Time of day names. Extern. Looks okay. Weather names. Consts. Looks fine. Got a bit less. We still have troubles here. Char. Aha. Aha. There we go. It's time of day names, yeah. We still have problem here. Why? Let's search for it. There's probably some extern somewhere. Here. No? I'm not seeing it right now. Set ref owner. Oof. What is the problem here? I don't know. Something is weird. I don't see what the problem here is. It seems fine. Const char. Const char. Oh, it returns. I don't see right now what the problem is. Why is this still gapp prefix? Extern. Okay, that one is wrong, yeah. There we go. Let's check this one. Time of day names. Looks fine. Aha. What is this here? Aha. Okay. Weather names. Is this maybe a problem here? Weather. Oof. Global data. Field pass. It should be fine. It takes a const void. Let's compile again. Still have troubles. A lot of troubles. Jesus Christ. Unresolved external. Tunnel contain. Yum pbdh. Yeah. Let's take a good look at this one. Const char. It looks fine. Extern. That looks fine. This one looks fine. Fine. To me, it looks perfectly fine. Let's do full rebuild. Maybe there's something weird in the cache. Make sure that game sees all data. I have not yet tested myself. If you find problem, please let me know. Ideally, I would like to decouple debug and internal defines from the CMake build type, so you can have release builds with debug or internal features. I think some debug code relies on the debug CRT though. Need to make sure it's only used on real debug builds. Probably create an interface target that all other targets link. Okay. Okay, here we got one more error. Okay. What is the error? Cannot convert argument 1. Char format. It's weird that it only errors now. It didn't error before, right? That's kind of strange. Const char format. Warning, warning, warning. Error. What is that? Undeclared identifier. Oof. It is a static function. Partition manager. Where is this function living? It's in the same file, but at a later stage. Okay. Maybe it cannot see it because this one comes after. Yeah, maybe. Yeah. Maybe we need to forward declare these guys. Okay, here are the forward declarations. Yeah. Then I would say we just put it here at the top. Done. Okay. That may work. Man, more errors. Look at that. Const char. Okay. More. My gosh. This is never end. Const. My gosh. Divider. What is this divider? Divider. This one is science now. Divider plus plus. Divider. I'm not sure what the solution here is. Oof. So it wants to assign this space, or well, we probably would need to put a char space like that. Divider space like that. Yeah. Let's see. Error. There's another one. Maybe we put the space elsewhere. Hold on. Maybe put the space. Put the space here. Yeah. There we go. There we go. Oof, another of these. What kind of string did it take? LP class char LP class Maybe we should put it like so. What is this? The result of conditional expression is ambiguous. Types const string class and const char can be converted to multiple common types. Oof. I see. String class. So we need to cast to is there a .str function? Teacher. There's no str function. That's upsetting. What's this here? Get buffer. Peak buffer. Yeah, we can use peak buffer. Peak buffer. There we go. That should do. Same here. And here. Const. Error. Jesus. It's strange that it didn't error on these on the first compile, but now as we have fixed more, it suddenly catches the stuff. Maybe it's because it skips compiling certain things when it encounters error. That could be, right? Yeah. That could be. Const char. Hold on. CPU names. Does it have an extern? No. What about this one? Oh, this one has an extern, yeah. Const. Warning. Error. Const. More consts. My gosh. Const everywhere. Static const. A lot of constants here. We have more. Const. No, that looks fine. Good. Next. More const. There we go. Oops. There we go. Yep. Good. Next. Warning. Static error. Didn't we already fix that? Huh. I'm confused about this one. dd print const. Okay. It's in the interface. I see. Good. Warning. Okay, so far so good. A lot of warnings. Warnings. Error. Xfer version. Undeclared identifier. What? Xfer.h. Oh. Okay. To me, it looks like in C++20, it now checks if types are unknown in templates. So typically, historically, whenever there's an error in a template function, it would only be evaluated when it was actually used somewhere, right? So you can write a template function and write garbage in there. As long as it's not picked up, it's not an error. But here to me it looks like maybe it's different. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, so this looks like this needs xfer, and it does xfer here. Huh? Xfer is inside common, no? Yeah, common xfer. Why is this not found? Let me recompile here. Maybe it's just a freak of nature. Okay, we got some linker errors. It's not good. Blit forward. What is this? Already defined. What? What? Blit forward. Oh boy, what is this thing? Blit trans. Blit forward. Okay, how about we do a build rebuild? Yeah. 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 Okay, linker error is still there. That's unfortunate. X surface object. Okay, so there's duplicates. Virtual void this call. Blit forward. Blit forward. Virtual. Why? Oh, no, there's this guard here. That should work. What? I have no idea right now why this happens. Let's see, we have some other errors, yeah. Okay, we are slowly advancing here. Yeah. There we go, const, there's another one. Do we have more errors? Warnings. Warning, warning, warning. Yeah. Warning. Yeah. Notifications. This PR adds CI for general 0-hour game executables, no tools, using CMake BC6 preset. It runs for pushes to main, manual workflow runs PRs from the main repository. Do not merge. Why? Oof. Okay. Build general 0-hour. Okay, I don't understand how this works. Yeah. It looks good. It looks good to me. Pushes to main. Two skip checks. Skipped. Nice. What is missing? No tools. Nice. Will tools be added too? Also, can the build somehow detect which target required? If we only touch 0 hour, then generals would not need to be built, and vice versa. Okay. Okay, let's see what other errors we have. Error. Okay, XFAR version. Why is this undeclared? That's what I don't understand right now. Because it's including XFAR here. There's a pragma once. Include guard. Everything is here. XFAR version is not recognized. Why? It's here. Type def. Unsigned byte. Seems so random. Wow. Okay, well, it's not much errors left. We got linker error and here this error. Oh, that's really weird. So this is a template function definition inside the header file of this file. Curious why this did never. Yeah, of course it doesn't error. Well, if it's not called, yeah. That's really curious case. Pragma once. Everything looks okay. Apart from the error. Let's build again. What's the time? 1:40. Let's see if we can fix 1-2 more things and then we make a break. Yeah. Oh man, So much work just to get that thing running. It's remarkable that some people had this thing running already in 1-2 days. Now we are more than 2 weeks in and still setting things up here. Yeah, and some people are much quicker with hacking the thing together and getting to run and making big changes already. No, it's okay. We take a slow, steady, steady approach. Yeah. I think so far I do like the path we take with making sure that everything compiles well and in VS6 and upgrading carefully, and yeah, we didn't comment out any functionality. Nothing is broken, no dirt. I think we have no dirt right now in the code, so that's very good. All right. Yeah. Okay, so this error still happens, of course. Yeah, I don't understand why this XFA version is not seen. Forward references. I mean, unless there's some other file called xfor.h. No. This deserves a version number. XFA version, syntax error, unexpected token, current version. Why is XFA version... Does it see this one here? Base type. XFA version. XFA save is also unknown. So it doesn't see anything from this file. Why? Why? That makes no sense. Huh. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. Let's look at the linker errors first. Oh man. That's some weird shit. That really is weird. Blit. Okay, let's look at that first. So we have, this is a warning only. Public virtual already defined. Second definition ignored. Oh, it's not pleasant though. Convert X surface. Let's see, X surface. What is this? There we go. So X surface. Okay, let's search for all blit forwards. Blit forward. Good. So we have blit. Blit. Okay, blit header. Blit H. Oh. There's an inline. It's an inline. function. Oh, Jesus Christ. I don't even know what blit means. If def blit h. I'm not sure what the problem is. My first instinct would tell me to add a pragma once here, but I mean, we have this include guard, so it should be fine, right? We have a lot of inline assembly in here. Oh boy. Blit forward, blit forward. Inline. Yeah. To me, it looks like as if this header somehow gets included twice. But how is that possible? Let's put a pragma once here. I don't think it changes anything, but let's do a build, rebuild. No, still happens. Let's remove it again. Yeah, okay, but it's just a warning, so who cares then for now? Deal with the warnings another time. Okay, well, we just have this one error left with the Xfer version, and I currently have no idea what the cause is. Yeah, what's the time? Xfer version. Why is this not seen? Ah, we are so close. We are so close. I really would like to finish it in this session. Then we can go with a clear mind towards the next coding session, right? Or let's say compiling session. We're not really coding. We're just compiling, right? Make it compile. There's really a lot of dirt in this code base. This will take a while to polish some of the fundamentals, yeah. Yeah, I see us going like two ways. So like targeted bug fixes, but then also like general improvements here and there to phase out all the dirt that we identify. So like, for example, anything where there's a reinterpret cast that needs like a close look, right? All these kinds of things. Anything that's unsafe, calling like weird unsafe functions. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so where's the error? Here. Yeah. Okay, let's search for other occurrences of Xfer version. So we have many others here. And for these guys, it's not a problem. Okay, this one is compiled out apparently. So here, but it's also, what is that bullshit? Allows surrender. Oh. Xfer version here. Yeah. Also why is everything compiled out here? What is this? Grand Stealth. That's not compiled out. Good. Xfer version. Yeah. I mean, so it looks fine. What does it include? xfer.h here. It's not in the header. Yeah. Is there maybe like a cyclic dependency of headers? Could that be? That xfer somehow wants to include this one, the bitflex IO? Could that be? Hold on. Xfer. What is Xfer including? Xfer.h is including. What about STL type diffs? STL type diffs. There we go. Could be. There somehow leaks in there like a cyclic dependency. What is inside game common? Game common. Base type. That looks rather innocent, but maybe ASCII string. That one looks suspicious. Common debug errors. Yeah. Let's see debug. Debug.h. Here. No. No. Errors.h. My best guess here is a cyclic dependency, so that Xfer, that we are including Xfer right now, and that includes bitflex IO, and so bitflex IO cannot include Xfer as well, so it won't know. I don't know. That is upsetting. But then this should have been also a problem in other compilers, right? Xfer.h. Let's look at it one more time. There's also model state. There's a bunch of things. Yeah, I mean there could be a lot of spills here. Oof, yeah. Why does it need all these guys? Let me stage what we currently have here. Stage. Then how about what happens if we remove these includes? What kind of errors will we get? Maybe we can do some forward declarationing, you know? Okay, let's see. Science vec, because this is a pointer. Pointer just a whole bunch of pointers in here. Yeah. 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 Yeah, to me it looks like we can just forward declare these guys. So are these classes? Oh, it's a type diff. Ugh. Okay, this one is an enum. Ooh, forward declaring enums was not legal at some point. Oof. We cannot easily forward declare these, I think. Yeah. Type defs. Maybe it's possible in the newer C++, but I think in the older ones, maybe not. But it is a bit it's a bit unfortunate. Upgrade science. Can we maybe get rid of some? So these are required by the looks of it. These two. Okay, that apparently seems to compile for now. That's pretty good. Yeah. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. What else do we have here? I see you opted for hoisting the variable declarations in the for loops rather than using for scope. I would prefer to use a compiler flag, as then if we wanted to modernize the code, it would be easier to track down all the places where they're relying on legacy scope. What do you think? Deprecated. That's too bad. It's a good idea, yeah. Yeah. Let's put the ice emoji. Yeah, it would have been a good option, but if it's deprecated, yeah. Also, then it's a question like, do all compilers play ball with this, right? So, like, if this was MSVC specific, I don't know. Let's see. For scope. Yeah. It might be MSVC specific, right? Let me see. Microsoft extension. Yeah, it's not clear to me from this if it's really Microsoft specific, but it could be, yeah. Could be, yeah. Compile effect, as then if we wanted to modernize the code, it would be easier to track down all the places. We can still find those places by doing text search for this or this, right? Let me test that. So if we search for this kind of character, then we should find all these things, right? Here. Yeah. Yeah. We can still find those places by doing text search for this or that. Good. So we still have compile error. Aha. Got difference ones though. Let's see, what is it? Bit flags. Upgrade. Argument list missing. Huh? Function template. Okay, so this one, upgrade.h, doesn't know about bit flags. Yeah. How about here we includes common bit flags. Upgrade mask type. Bit flags. Yeah. Let's rebuild with this. Bit flags. Yeah. Let's see. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm not 100% sure, no, but I thought so, because tag priority info is only used as class member of script engine. It is never dynamically allocated. So memory pool object will have like new delete, right? Let me see that. Yeah, here, new delete. Oh no, this should be impossible. Oh, delete instance. Delete instance. Memory pool glue. Here, new delete. Yeah, so it gets these new delete operators here. Yeah. So attack priority is only used as a class member. It is never dynamically allocated. New delete. So it looks like the memory pool object is not needed here. If someone can confirm that this is right, then I can add a comment for affirmation towards the next reader. Good. All right, what's the next error? Let me see. Memory pool object. Oof. Overwritable. Memory pool object. I see. Okay, now we get like some nice compile errors here. Let me see. Game memory, common game memory. Includes common game memory .h. Okay. Warning. Good. Let's see what other interesting comments we have here. On the Windows latest image, where do you make sure it has 7-zip installed? Since the build for 0 hour engineers are almost the same, couldn't you template the builds? I don't know what that means. Let them handle it. I'm happy I don't have to deal with that. This one. Misplaced OCL mismatch. There's a bug where OCLs don't know where to go and ends up in the left bottom of the map. This triggers a mismatch. Okay. Swedish. Commits. UK SE. Is dialog event. This one doesn't list all these ones though. PL US PP. Yeah. Of course, I didn't put any documentation as to what this actually does. Yeah. What does this do? I can't remember. Probably should have put it in a function. Yeah. Dialog event. Dialog event. Command map ini. I'm not sure about this one here. I can't remember what the purpose of this was. Let's look at it later. Okay, so it succeeded. Ha! Ha! It succeeded. Wow. Cool. Okay, so our header experimentation has resolved the cyclic inclusion, I think, by chance. That's nice. Cool. Very nice. Good, then I think we have achieved what we wanted to achieve here. Let me think about this here once more. So if this dialog event and USDEFR, Brazilian, Polish, Russian, Ukrainian, and Swedish, then what does it do? Star. If line is not star, it's dialog event. New line. It's probably correct, yeah. If you use the US as a base, then this should be right, yeah. Okay. Okay. It's probably fine. So as the command map.ini and language.ini are just plain copies of current English. Okay, let's update the at Swedish at Swedish at command map at, let's say at ini files and script entries for Swedish language. There's no need to make this such a long header. Add ini files and script entries for Swedish language. Save. Okay. I think I can already approve it, but I won't submit it yet, merge it yet. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Good. So we got it to compile. That's great. Then yeah, next session what do we do? we compiled against release, we compiled against Visual Studio 6, and then we update the pull request with the new changes. Yeah. Okay, great. And then we test it eventually. Yeah. Good. I will take a break. I wish you a great day or night. Until next time. Goodbye.